came first, the chicken or the egg? A long debated question, but researcher J. Baker from Pacahan Farms has discovered the answer. It is the egg, or rather the eggplant. The eggplant tree, to be even more accurate. This ancient eggplant tree is a self-harvesting, self-seeding tree. It can now be documented back to the early 1500s and originally produced white fruits known as garden eggs. These fruits bloomed into what were called jungle fowl, from which the modern domestic chicken evolved. According to Wikipedia, the ancient translation for eggplant denoted that the class that removes the wind disorder, windy humor, because they were thought to cure flatulence, probably because the feeds fell out of the back of jungle fowl. Originally, eggplant fruit were thought to be poisonous, but due to a lack of deaths in people who were determined to consume them, they were found to be edible and quite delicious. Due to unauthorized genetic modification of both the eggplant trees and the domestic chicken, they are no longer dependent upon each other or even related at all. Here at Pacahan Farms, we have dedicated many units of time to restoring this original ancient eggplant tree and are excited to announce that we have successfully grown the first healthy, fertile eggplant tree in modern times. Anciently, jungle fowl would bury their eggs in order to grow more egg-producing trees. The attempt at the modern chicken to lay her eggs in a rounded hole is derived from the leftover instincts to bury the egg. Generally, people mistakenly believe that they do this for us to provide an easy way to collect and consume the eggs. This is why people started creating what are now called nesting boxes. Nesting boxes are small enclosures with hay or wood shavings added, and it is the only place made available for the hens to lay their eggs. You can witness this vestigial phenomena by watching any modern hen attempting to bury her eggs by creating a hollow in the nesting material. In the absence of actual dirt to cover the eggs, she will cover them with her body in an attempt to sprout them manually. After many time units of research and hard work, Pacahan Farms has finally been able to successfully plant and grow the original eggplant tree. Here at Pacahan, we have confirmed two methods of propagation. One is the fruit bud method, or FBM. The eggplant tree fruit buds can be harvested before ripening and planted in the ground. This is the type of propagation that will yield a plant that does not mature into a tree and is not self-harvesting. Rather, it will result in the eggplant bush, similar to what we see today. The second type of propagation is the direct egg method, or DEM. The fascinating thing about the ancient eggplant tree is that it is self-harvesting and self-seeding. When eggplant seeds, which come from chickens commonly known as eggs, derived from the name eggplant, are planted directly into the ground while they are still warm, the sprouts from this method bear a remarkable resemblance to a modern chicken. But if harvested as sprouts, they will die. If left to grow on their own, they will grow into the majestic eggplant tree. The tree will bear flowers in the spring, which will give way to eggplant buds. They can be harvested and eaten at this time, but if left to fully ripen, they will develop into self-seeding fruits, known today as a chicken. Once it is fully ripe, it will self-harvest. It will then start producing seeds several times a week. Pictured here is a sprout that has been accidentally uprooted. Note how the roots resemble legs, yet are useless. The sprout will naturally reroot itself. We hope one day to have eggplant seeds for growing trees readily available to the public. It is our dream and mission here at Peckahen Farm to one day see a world full of eggplant tree orchards.
Up with the chickens early every morning. Gotta get a move on chores to be done. There's my alarm clock, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. Old Mr. Rooster's got me on the run. Country living is the finest in the land. There goes Pappy with a bucket in his hand. Ma's a-hollering before I'm even dressed. Eggs are waiting to be gathered from the nest. Out in the hen house, listen to the chatter. Getting up at dawning doesn't seem to matter.
Down in the kitchen,